Hi guys, I am back at Costco to see if they have the kids' Halloween costumes out on the floor yet. I'm also going to see if there are any new Halloween decor that have been added since my last visit. Okay, let's take a quick walk down this aisle to see what they had this week. I definitely do see a few new items, and I also spot a rack of the kids' Halloween costumes, so they are now available, folks. I have noticed that a few products have sold out that was featured in my last Costco Halloween 2025 video and had now been replaced with some new items. So let's go over some of the new items and we'll start with the big stuff, like this Bluey family Halloween inflatable. It features Bluey, Bingo, and their parents in festive Halloween costumes. It's about 6.5 feet tall and 8 feet wide. It's equipped with 10 LED lights and has a built-in fan for self-inflation. It's cute and family-friendly. Price is $149.99. Next to the Bluey family are the inflatable kids costumes for $32.99. We first have Bob the Minion. This costume is one size fits most children ages 6 and up. It requires 4 AA batteries, which are not included. And each costume, of course, comes with a fan. Now we have Enderman from Minecraft, Mario riding Yoshi, and Minecraft, the pig ride-on costume. These look like fun costumes and are definitely eye-catching. Next to the inflatable costumes is the giant groundbreaking skeleton, the Mickey pumpkin, and the horror movie figures, which I had already featured in my last Costco Halloween video, so we'll go ahead and skip right by them. On the other side of the aisle, we have the pop-up Halloween Friends set. It is a set of 4 lighted yard characters featuring infinity mirrors and twinkling LEDs. It has over 600 LED lights, with 70 of those being twinkling lights. There's the Pumpkin Man, which is about 60 inches tall, the Reaper, the Mummy, and a scary doll. Setup is supposed to be a breeze as they are a pop-up design which includes the yardsticks and a plug-in adapter. No tools are required. Price is $219.99. This would be a cute setup for your yard. Next, we have the Black Halloween Pumpkin Lanterns. They are a set of 3 nesting metal jack-o'-lanterns that has a sleek, spooky style to them. Just add your own flameless candles or twinkle lights to bring them to life. Price is $49.99. The Halloween dog greeters are next, but I had already featured them in my other video, so we'll go ahead and move on to the next item. Here we have the Simpsons Treehouse of Horror, a 31-day advent calendar. It features 31 windows, each hiding a 1.5-inch figurine in a creepy cute treehouse of horror diorama. Every day from October 1st to the 31st, you open a window to reveal a mini Simpsons figure. You can display the calendar on a shelf or desk where you can see it and enjoy it daily. It's a fun way to celebrate every day leading up to Halloween. It's priced at $39.99. At the end here are the Halloween decorative pillows. These have already been featured in my other video as well, so let's move on to the kids' Halloween costumes. Okay, let's see what kind of kids' costumes Costco has for this year. We'll start with the boys' costumes, but as you'll see from the photos on the tags, that some of these costumes can be worn by both genders, so you can just let your kids pick the costume that excites them. So as far as the boys' costume goes, there were only 4 options plus 2 different colored Spider-Man costumes. There doesn't seem to be much to choose from, but it's still early, so perhaps there will be more choices later this month. Okay, now we're going to start with the girls' costumes. As I go through the costumes, you'll notice that there aren't any licensed Halloween costumes this year. All they have this year is the Spider-Man costume, and the rest are just generic costumes. Last year, Costco had some awesome licensed costumes such as Disney, Harry Potter, and Pokemon, but sadly not this year. I would assume that they would be out by now if Costco had them. Anyways, these are your options for this year. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, I'll see you later, alligator. Bye!